I'm sorry, I'm nerding out tonight, bro, because I saw your rig rundown shoot, rather. Or I just saw something online, and I just always wondered, what was your, like, go-to guitar of choice? Because I've seen you switch from, like, I've seen you use Schecters to Gibsons. Like, what would be your, like, number one?
Gusto ko talaga Gibson talaga.
Gibson, that's your go-to.
Kaya kahit naka 7 strings na ako, I still have a Gibson. Parang yun yung pagtanda mo, ito pa rin gitara ko. Ang sarap eh. Pero tapos yung sa 7 strings, meron akong Ibanez ngayon, tsaka Tajima. Tajima is Brazil made siya yung sa akin. Yun yung, kumbaga, since I'm a guy na nag-handle na recording sa banda namin. So, gusto ko yung tunog ng active on some aspects. Gusto ko yung tunog ng mga passive na guitars. So, I have to have parang
a variety.
Best of